Did you know that over 80% of data breaches involve a client-side attack? That's right, your everyday devices could be the target of cyber criminals. Imagine this, you're casually browsing online and within minutes, your sensitive information could be at risk. It sounds like a plot twist from a tech thriller, but it is happening in the real world. Welcome back to Orec Technologies. Today, we are diving into the world of client-side attacks, how hackers exploit vulnerabilities on your device, and what you can do to protect yourself. Ready to uncover the secrets behind these digital threats and learn how to safeguard your data? Let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. A client-side attack targets the client side of a client-server architecture, which is typically your device, like a computer or smartphone. The client is the one requesting information from the server. Think of it as the user's end. When you use a web browser to visit a website or run an application, your device is the client. It interacts with a server to fetch data, display web pages, or run programs. But what happened when the interaction is compromised? Client-side attacks exploit vulnerabilities in the client software, such as your web browser, email clients, or even mobile apps. These vulnerabilities can be used to execute malicious code, steal sensitive information, or even take control of your device. One common example of a client-side attack is a phishing attack. Here, an attacker tricks you into clicking a malicious link or downloading a harmful attachment. Once you interact with it, the attacker can steal your credentials or install malware on your device. Another example is cross-site scripting. This attack happens when an attacker injects malicious scripts into a trusted website that you visit. These scripts can then steal your session cookies or other sensitive information. Then there is drive-by downloads. This occurs when simply visiting a compromised or malicious website triggers a download of malware onto your device without your knowledge. Client-side attacks can also involve vulnerabilities in plugins or browser extensions. Attackers exploit these to gain unauthorized access to your device or data. So, why should you care? Because these attacks can compromise your personal data, financial information, and even your entire system if not properly managed. But don't worry, we will cover ways to protect yourself in future videos. If you enjoyed this introduction to client-side attacks and want to learn more about how to safeguard your devices, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Got any questions or specific topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe out there and see you in the next time.